welcome back to my channel. Today I am with Hematology Analyzer and this one is 3-part. The brand name is IRBA. So the model name is IRBA Elite 3. So let me show you the basic operation of this machine. So now I'm going to tell you about all options IRBA Elite 3. So here you have measure, database, maintenance, settings and exit. So I use my service password. Let me show you here. Service password. Otherwise, no need for any kind of password. Click on measure if you want to run the samples. So click on new and enter the patient detail like sample ID, patient ID, and some other options are also here like pre-diluted, WBC only, charge lives. Okay. Next is the database. If you want to see the record, sample or QC, all the record is here. Third one is the maintenance. In maintenance, you have the cleaning, you have the calibration, QC, diagnostic, and reagent status. So let's start from downside, which is reagent status. If I click here on reagent status, it will assess, and it will tell you the status of the reagent. You have to wait little bit time. So now you can see the status of the reagents, diluent, lyase, cleaner, and the waste, and the like this. Let me go back. Next is diagnostic. If I click on diagnostic, so I will find different options. If I want to see that device information, if you want to do a self-test, if I click here and then start, so it will go for a self-test. Even I can change the mode as well. Next option is service. In service, if you want to do the troubleshooting, you want to check the stress, needle position check, and statistics and screen test. Next is the quality control. If you want to see the quality control, you have different lots. You can just click over there and you can see your results for the QC. And also, for example, let me say I want to see the results of this lot. And here you have further different options, like if you want to see the references, measure, diagram, and database. If you want to do the QC, so measure is here. If you want to see the LJ chart, so diagram options there, and this is the database. Next one, calibration. If you want to do the calibration of this machine, these are the factors. If you want to adjust the factors manually, measure, history, and pre-diluted, and the service. Next one is cleaning. So this option you are going to use if you want to do the cleaning of the machine. Next one is the setting. In the setting, you can set the printer, journal. Journal means that sound, enable, disable. Language is English. You can change the language as well. And date and time, and printer. If I click on the printer, then you can also adjust the format, limits, warning, histogram. So these are the settings of the printouts. Okay, so now if I want to do the measurement, so I'll just click on measure. I'll click new and I can enter whatever I want, and then I'll keep the sample here. For example, this is my sample, it's empty, so mix very well, and then remove the cap and keep it here. Okay, don't forget to remove the cap. That's it. And once you press this button, it will rotate and it will start measuring the cell. In this machine, you are going to use 3 reagents. One is the diluent, one is lyase diff, and third one is the cleaner. Just here. If you want to do the cleaning, so click on maintenance, cleaning, and I want to do the hard cleaning because I have a cleaner. I'll just click on hard cleaning. Now it will ask you to place a sample tube with cleaning solution into the sample rotor and press OK. So I already kept here and I'm gonna press OK. When I click OK, you can see, yes. So now hard cleaning is going on. This is the procedure how to do the hard cleaning. If you want to see the quality control, LG, click here, select your lot, for example this one. If you want to see the LG chart, click on diagram. So here it will show you the LG. You can change, right? And if you want to see the database, so it will show you the results. Like this one, I will click here. Want to see the detail, so detail will be here. Now I am going to enter the quality control reference ranges. So click on quality control, select any vacant place, for example QC5, click on references. Now I am going to enter the lot number. Click on lot number. So let me select my lot, which is B1120, and I can enter like N for normal, L for low, H for high. So I'm just going to enter normal, and then I'm going to enter the expiry date. So it will expire on 5th March 2021. Like, and here you are going to enter the target and range. So suppose this is WBC, so target value is 7.7 and range is suppose 1.2. After each entry, don't forget to click on enter. Then it will go to the next one. If you like my today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Very soon I'll be back again with another analyzer and with another model. Till that time, bye bye.